everyone, and welcome to another edition of the Excalibur Roundtable Tech Talk. I am Mike Fuson. We're going to continue our discussion on Syxsense, a edge security and Microsoft and other patching product that we're very, very proud to represent and work with. It's kind of hard to describe because Syxsense is fairly broad in what it's able to do to help you ensure that the devices connecting to your network are properly patched and are properly secured in the manner that you wish them to be. One of the challenges with work from home is for many of our customers, it was shifting folks to using a VPN or shifting folks to moving to use a remote security product or what have you. Everybody did something a little bit different. For many businesses, it wasn't something that was used often, so we had to spin some things up quickly. But one of the things that kind of fell through the cracks in the early stages is that many customers, what we were hearing from them is that their employees were perhaps using their home computer or they were using another device that they had at home to make connections. Think about everyone out there, if you had kids that had to move to remote, all of a sudden you had to have a device for your child to be able to do school. And for many households, we have a shared computer, or maybe there is a laptop, or there's some Google devices that are out there, the Chromebooks. I know in our house we went through the challenge of purchasing a Chromebook for my son to be able to do school remotely, and then coming to find out that some of the applications that he needed to run for some robotics classes only run in Windows, and then his Chromebook was having all kinds of difficulty with Zoom, and so we ended up having to switch out to a laptop. And as businesses, we were kind of facing the same challenges in getting folks connected from home. And where Syxsense came into play for so many of our customers is ensuring that those devices that we're connecting were properly secured, were properly patched, and had necessary things like they have to have an antivirus, and the antivirus needs to be up to date. Those basic things that we kind of take for granted and just assume will be in place. But it allowed for the ease of getting folks connected, and if when they got connected they were out of compliance, being able to make them compliant. There's a lot of great edge protection platforms out there that'll check the device and say, hey, this is out of compliance, and we need you to do X, Y, and Z to get it into compliance. But Syxsense takes a little different approach where it's able to quarantine them and also remediate the issues for you. Stay with us as we continue to explore the great technology provided by our partners and our partner Syxsense.